stand social bafethu lo tsewe Sheraton pya ka flock ka nako yo
yeah ka हमारा ये 6 लम्मा है था yeah this guy has alpha 15 inch rims eh might flip here one or yeah 6 लम्मा है alpha rims 15 inch you know I must give you the sticker man diferile man ashwa tsara ke sticker sela sona sticker sela sa ku sela ya since go guys so ram mat are ki ska open chat this other side because hey let's open chat this side this is blessing chest oh conquest man 16V gamo 16V 16 mavula bro emana we tsamoro ku sha pipe o tsamoro ku sha eh oh wala ba putar dene video flow ka pipe so be ke ba tla u feel la hore pipe ya ona itsa That's why I'm going to 60 Fitment just decided to pull up and check up on us. As you can see, the car is getting some nice wash. He changed the rims. Changed the rims to velos from Lenzo 16 inch rims to these ones. Ah, 16V ka kuwa papa. Ase carburetor ka kuwa 16V mpya. Inject them. So we still continue with the vlog. So I'm trying to show you how clean the car is right now. We're done with washing the car now. I just stay low, speed gas, gas. The four left stickers. Velcros. Where can I get this? Velcros. Look at the paint work. Check the paint work. If you look closely to the color, you can see some sparkles. You see? Sparkles. So there's a... Yeah, this is Mamz car wash. Car wash is 70. Hey. Yes. Some 2 tweeters. One battery for sound. Yeah. Okay. He changed the rims. Now it's tyre from Lenzo 16-inch rims to Golf. When I wanted mud flaps. This Golf, it's on too. Sarah Golf too. Let's do this. Look at the front. Check out the front. Look at how beautiful the front is. So, natural front. I won't lie. What about? Oh. Yeah. Good day. Mo delay mo.
Pala ka check the sound every.
Mo wait here so man. Mothogo. Ebana zaman today delay ebana sound divan. Today better high pass. Yesterday malobanyana better low pass. Today is high pass. Jo. Mathula charge. Agna, yay, dance. Alibila says happy. Oh, we need to wash this car. We need to wash it. Today, the sound is different. Unentung we delay what is happening. Unentung we delay what cruise of the Unentung we delay either. He changed the amps. Got another one there. Look at the fitment. Check the fitment. Just check the fitment. The fitment that I'm talking about. Let me just show you. Now you see it. Now you see what I'm talking about. Fitment. If your mud flap, don't touch the floor. Your shield is still high. If your mud flaps don't touch the ground or the floor, your shit is still high, bro. Let me just show you. I came for this girl. Not bad. The car is smelling nice. 200k. Yeah, that one. Even the controller is still working. The handbrake is still working. Like your voice. But
The rim is small.
the reason why he changed the rims is because when you go there, paraga shoes fan. So these ones are daily rims. Then the other ones, Jadi Lento, they are for not for competition, for stance shoes only. You know. That's how I want things to be. Mana fitment. Hola. Chataga sticker GT. Polo Max, I mean. Polo Max. Maybe modified Polo Max from Polo Vivo to Polo Max. The brother with some nice service. We got some nice service from Mamz Auto Works. Nice. Hands. Fácil. That's how golf must be. Golf is Ay. Chala wana. Imangani ndoda sashutha la. Hey, 251 The time when he was here, he was in a hurry. Right now, it's wheel. Apa asa idi? Apa tahu idi? Hey. He wanted to fix his tire, the rear tire. It came off when the rear tire came off when he was coming here. So that's why. But wait, this guy is sprayed. It's born. 16 Mavlava. He took out the sound. There's no longer sound. Nice interior. Not very. Because the first one was in bash. It was been bash 7 of March 2026 at Polokwane Showground. Be there or be told. It's not bad. Especially got a rim check. This is, let me check. Steady. Let's go for another key. Oh, cut spring. Let's check. Unfortunately, next time. Look at the pipes. Piping will go to. So yeah guys, that is the end of the video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. The t-shirts are not yet done. The t-shirts are not yet out right now, so once they're out, I'll tell you guys they're out. For now, get sticker fair. So yeah.